Hi, my dear brothers and sisters. What do you think? What or who make us unhappy, suffering, stressful? What do you think? Who make or who bring that? It's very simple. The three different words. I, me, my. The three different ways to use but same meaning. I want. I need. I do like that. If that doesn't work, then we got very stressful. Change. We. Our. They. We do like that. They want. Our community need that. Our family need that. When as possible you change that thought, I'm sure you are the 90% peace, relaxed, and calm, less problem. Make sure, just try, okay? Just try the hardest work. Thank you.